Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is an exciting day here. I want to present to you my beautiful scallop blouse and the earrings to go with it. I bought this top. I had it in my closet for a while and I really love the red sleeve accent stripe. I said, let me make this scallop on it, and then from there I end up making the edge on the neckline, and I said, you know what, I'm sure I'm gonna wear some earrings with it sometimes. So out of the same thread I use some, and then I use some old earrings, and yeah, and let's see, today we're gonna use this this crochet number 7, and I'm not sure the size of the thread. Once again, I'm really not good with the size of threads, but this is a American ruler, so here is your inch. It's very thin, right? And we have centimeters as well on the other side. Here is the centimeters. So as you can see, a pretty thin, kind of like a cottony thread. Okay, so that's what we're gonna use today, but you can use whatever you think goes with your project. And we're gonna use this top as an example, and it's the exact same brand. And by the way, this is such a beautiful brand. I love Derek's Hearts. They're both the same size, the same brand. I bought them at the same time, and same size sleeves, so you're gonna see exactly what I'm doing on this one. Okay guys, so let's start. Always start from the center of the sleeve, where the seam is. Let's just insert about 1/4 of an inch down. Make your first punctuation. I always like to take this double here just to secure it in the back, and then let it go. Make one loop, and let's go through the next channel here. It's about 1/4 of an inch also. One more loop. Just single stitches for now. One second, I want to go a little lower. I want to give that definition like I have here. You see, you can see those beautiful lines. So that means we have to go a little lower if you want to see those. You don't want to pinch it right to the end of the fabric, because first of all you might break it, and it looks more attractive when you have it a little lower. So let's open this other stitch too. Alright, so go about 1/4, loose, again about 1/4, semi-loose stitches. Don't make it too tight. So it's about 1/4 of an inch. It's about 1/4 of an inch length and about 1/4 of an inch wide. One loop. So for me, I have this reference guide already, this formed channels, so I'm using that. If you don't have that, you figure out by eye about every quarter of an inch or half a centimeter. One. Look how beautiful, even just with that edge. Red on black always looks amazing, I think. Red is my favorite color. One of my favorite colors. Red, orange, and yellow. Those are my top 3. I cannot put them in order, but I do believe red is first. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this to the end, and I'll see you guys on the next row. Okay, so we came to the end of the first row. Let's connect it right in the first one where we started. Now let's make 3 chains and go right back into the first space. Again, 1, 2, 3, go back right in the second space. See? Again, 1, 2, 3. So this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's easy to remember that. 1, 2, 3. Are you there yet? Let's say together 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do a few more, and then I'll meet you on the third row. Here I am starting the row 3 the same way, 1, 2, 3. Basically, this is the simplest pattern you'll ever find out there, but yet looks so sophisticated. 1, 2, 3. Might get bored of it, it's too easy maybe. But this is perfect for any beginner and any level crocheter. And this is something you can add to a lot of things. Such a simple design, but so beautiful, especially with a little contrast color like I'm doing here. And I always loved these scallop sleeves to come, you know, down on your hand, and it's so elegant and feminine. I've been doing that since I was a teenager. That was my signature even back then. I started back again lately. And now look like my girls are picking up these crochets, and I'm so happy. So guys, I have so many projects I want to show you. I don't even know what will be next. I really have so much in my mind I want to share with you. If you can tell me in the comments below, what would you like to see next? You know, crochet, knitting, designing, gardening, sewing, you name it. Why don't you suggest something I can do next? Okay guys, so I am on my 4th row now, right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can continue to make this as long as you want. Okay, like I said, it goes nice to go down here, and depend on the look you like. Just experiment. But now we're going to close it up with the edge, more detail edge. So 1, 2, make 3 chains, come back in the same one, 2 more times, one, 2, 1, 2, 3, come back in the same space, and 2 more times, 1, 2. Look at the beautiful point. Okay guys, so what do you think? It's easy. I'm just gonna stop here. You continue and finish your project, and let me know what you come up with. I will love to see what you're making. Please send me a picture if you can. Okay, so there we have it. Here I have 7 rows, and here I have 3. One half of it is 4, but I didn't continue with that. Okay, let's just call it 3, just so you have an idea. 3 versus 7. And I finish it the same way on the neckline. Okay, and the same design on the earrings. So after all this pandemic is over, hopefully I have a chance to rock this set. Definitely not in the summer, but maybe in the winter. I hope you enjoyed this process, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting projects.